Hi guys, I'm in my new house. Wow, look, this is my dad's computer. Laptop, computer. Look, it's so messy in there. Hi-ya! This is its house. There is aquarium. You can open the... Yeah! You can open it. This is the curtain. We have a lot of toys in here. Look. A lot of toys, a lot of clothes. What the balloon is this? I have a messy table. Look. Hey. Let's just making a video in my new house. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Bye guys. See you on another day. Bye.